How to braid a spiral black gold bracelet. Six strands of gold thread and 0.8 mm nylon thread. Align the two 40 cm threads and leave 12 cm at the beginning. Then fix it on the clip. The other end should also be fixed with a clip. Take out a 1.5 meter black thread and fold it in half. Then place it under the axis and hang it on the axis. Take out a 1.5 meter gold thread and fold it in half. Then place it under the axis and hang it on the axis. Here we should pay attention to the positions of the gold and black threads on the left and right sides. Left side black on top, gold on bottom, right side black on bottom, gold on top. In this way, the black thread and the gold thread are tied into a one-way square knot in turn. Repeat this process until the desired length is reached. The bracelet will be in a spiral shape when it is braided. It needs to be moved from time to time to make it easier to braid. Then take a 6-strand gold thread about 21 centimeters long. Fold it in the middle and hang it on the bracelet. Tie square knots about 2 centimeters long. Generally, 1 centimeter is enough. The spiral bracelet needs to be 1 centimeter longer than the normal bracelet. So I put this centimeter here. Tie 3 diamond knots 3 centimeters away from the bracelet.